This is just a short video showing you the basic principles of fitting a windscreen. This is a Audi S3. It's an OEM dealer part I'm fitting. I'm just removing the packaging from the glass. Now just make sure the glass isn't damaged or everything's okay. Just remove the little strip from the scuttle channel. And I'm just testing the rain sensors working properly. And I'm just going to strip down the scuttle panel and wipers. Just pop the wiper nut covers off and remove the wiper nuts. And just flex the wiper arm elbows. And just pop the side trims off. Pretty straightforward to come off. Just do that on both sides. And I'm just going to spray some glass cleaner along the edge of the scuttle panel that goes in the channel along the bottom of the glass. And I'll just release that with my plastic dibber. Just push that along and then it just comes straight off. Pretty straightforward. And I'm just removing the interior rear view mirror and camera housing. Just being careful not to break any plastic clips or stuff. We'll just remove the rear view mirror, remove the rain sensor, and pop the camera off, leaving the camera connected to the electrical connection. And just remove the other connection there. I'm just putting a new gel pad on the rain sensor. Just put that straight onto the glass. And I'm just cutting the glass out with my WRD QC bat. I think it's called a QC, Quick Connect. I'm just using the nylon cord to cut the glass out. I've just done a voiceover of this video because the original video there was music playing in the background and I didn't want to be copyrighted, so I've just muted the video and I'm just doing a quick voiceover over it. So I've just went all the way around with the cutout tool. I'll just lift the glass out. And I'll just take that to the skip and bin it. And I'll just cut back the old polyurethane bead. Just making sure I didn't slip and scratch any of the paintwork. So just cut that back all the way around. I'm just using two widths of blades there because it's quite narrow down the A-pillars. And once that's cut back, just brush any dust and any dirt or dust off it. Just do that all the way around. Just ready for it getting cleaned up. I'll just clean the windscreen with glass cleaner. Then just clean round the edge, just to degrease it. Do that both on the glass and the bodywork. Just preparing it for the primer. Once that's cleaned, I'll just apply my all-in-one primer. Just apply that all the way around the edge of the glass. and do the same on the bodywork. Just go all the way around, just using the old bond line as reference, and cover up any nicks that have been caught with the scraper so it doesn't rust. I'll just give that a few minutes to dry. Put my suckers on the glass. I'll just straight into bonding it up. Obviously I've edited the video, so there's no time wasted on the video. I waited a good 5 minutes before that primer dried. Just put a nice even bead all the way around. It's a pre-cut nozzle, so it's like a high point, high thin bead. Just do that all the way around. And then I'll just touch up any of the joins so there's no gap. Then I'll just lift the windscreen straight in. It's quite a small windscreen, I can lift that in without any assistance. Just making sure I guide it in, get it bang on first time. Just gently press down on the glass, make sure it's bedded into the bond properly all the way around. Just remove the suckers. And I didn't have to put tape on it. There was locator clips on this new windscreen. Just push the scuttle back into the channel along the bottom of the glass. He's going quite straightforward on these Audis, and then just push the trims back into the metal channel along down the A-pillars. Do that on both sides and just bang them back in place. And just put this bonnet seal back in. This just stops any rain or that getting into the engine bay when it's raining. Put the wipers back on. Just align the wipers up to where they were before they came off. And just bolt it, screw it back in, put the nuts back on, tighten them up hand tight. Replace the nut cover. The nut cover's on it. Drop the bonnet, and then I'll just put this camera back in, build the interior back up, put the camera back in, connect it. Just pop the rear view mirror back on, pushing all the trims back into place. And I'll just give the new windscreen a clean and test that the rain sensor's working properly, which it is. And this will be getting the ADAS will be getting recalibrated at the dealership. Just give it a clean down, and that's pretty much it. Job done. Thanks for watching.